When you don't have a job, it's money! Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a new video. Today's video is just gonna be kind of casual in this little area. It's a little bit different. I don't know. I feel like I just get so tired of like the same filming backgrounds. If you guys like this spot, let me know. If you hate it, let me know. So a while back, I actually quit my job. I mean, in April, it's gonna be like a year since I've quit my job. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are curious on how I make money because yes, I do make money on YouTube, but no, it's not a lot. It's like a little tiny pinch, like sprinkle of salt. Like it's not a lot of money. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are curious on how I make money, like other than YouTube, how you can make money. Maybe you're too young for a job, maybe you don't want to have a job, but you still want to make money. Obviously, these things are going to work for everybody. This is just what I do, but without further ado, let's just get right into it. I have a list of things that I wrote down. How I make money without a job. Number one, YouTube. Obviously, I make money. We've already talked about this. I do make money, but it's only a little bit. I don't make a ton of money on YouTube. Hopefully someday, but that day is not today. This brings me back to something I was gonna say. YouTube just changed their way their partnership program works, so a lot of you smaller channels, including my two other channels, are not like after February 20th, you're not gonna be able to monetize them anymore. If you are a smaller channel and you need a little bit of help and you want me to keep doing my like YouTuber shoutout videos that I've been doing in the past, I'm actually creating a video. I'll leave a link in the little eye. Click that video and leave a comment on it because I'm going to be choosing from the comments on that video to shout out in my next videos. I know a lot of you guys probably need all the help you can get right now because you want to get to those thresholds before they take your monetization away. So if there's anything that I can do to help by shouting you out, all you have to do, click the eye, go to that video, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. That's all you have to do, and you might be shouted out by my channel. So the second way that I make money, aside from YouTube, is I do commissioned artwork. So people send me photos, I draw them with pencil, and I give it to them. And I sell them for $100 because it takes over 12 hours to complete each one. A lot of them take way more than 12 hours, but I don't want to like overprice it. I want to like make art like affordable, and I know $100 seems like a lot, but when you think of like how many hours is actually put into it, I'll pop some examples up on the video right now. But if you think of how many hours have gone into the drawings, that's not even minimum wage that I'm making off of it, but it is a little bit of money on the side, which helps me pay my bills, like my phone bill and my student loan, and you know, the other things that I have to pay for. The third thing that I usually make money from is playing shows. Playing shows is something that I do make money from. A lot of you guys who are under legal age of drinking, you might not be able to do this. I'm a musician. I went to like college for music, and music is what I like my career goal. It's my like number one thing in my life that I want to do. So I do play shows. Just contact local bars, local cafes, ask them if they have any dates available that you can play. You go, you play songs, you get paid. That kind of thing. I mean, it's not a ton of money, but like when you don't have a job, it's money. Yeah, I play shows. Fourth way that I make money is through photography. I've mentioned in my last video that photography was like a hobby of mine before I even started YouTube. It's still like something that I do on the side, do shoots for other people and they pay me for it. Like I charge my rates really low because like I don't like consider myself a professional photographer. I do have a photography Instagram. Oh my god, so many like shameless self plugs. If you want to check that out, it's Fallon Fraser Photo. I just like have like a set rate for like an hour shoot, and people contact me that want photos, or like I'll make posts on Facebook, or I'll contact other people. If you're constantly trying to find people to shoot, I would definitely hit up like your local bloggers. That's what I've been trying to start doing lately. Just go on Instagram, search up your area blogger, find Instagram bloggers that are from around your area, ask them, hey, like, do you want to do a shoot sometime? And maybe you'll get some business, that kind of thing. Number 5 is not really how I make money, but it's a thing that I kind of wanted to share with you guys. So cashback apps are like a really great way to save money. I mean, when you're not making a lot of money, you want to save as much money as you can. So cashback apps, I don't know if these are strictly Canadian or not, but check out 51. You can get cashback on different groceries. Ebates, you can get cashback from shopping online. And if you want to sign up using my referral code, I'll leave it in the description box below. It helps me get $5 extra. It helps you get $5 extra. Everybody wins and everybody gets cash back on their purchases. So I'll leave my like referral link in the description box if you guys want to help me out because, you know, unemployed. Check out 51, Ebates, Flip, Cattle, just like search up cashback apps on Google for your area and something will come up. At least it did for me anyway. So another thing that I get money from sometimes is doing random odd jobs. Like if you watch my vlog channel, I was babysitting guinea pigs and I got paid for that. Sometimes I'll help people clean their houses. I get paid for that. Just like any, like I wrapped like people's Christmas presents and I got paid for that. Like any little odd job that people will pay you for, just do it and get some extra cash. So yeah, any like odd job that like comes your way, you just grab it, you take it, and you go with the flow, you know? Another way that I've made money is by selling things. I mean, this obviously isn't sustainable in any way. Like you can't like just like sell everything you own like all the time because then you'll have nothing. But I did sell a few things the last couple of months and I've made some money from doing that. Like I own some like higher end shoes that like I never wore from when I worked at a shoe store. And I was like, what the heck, I'm just gonna sell these, haven't worn in 2 years anyway. And they're in super good condition. So I sold those for like a decent price. The money you make is gonna depend on the things that you have to sell, basically. So those are pretty much all the ways that I make money, but some like other ideas, like if you're crafty, you can make things and sell them. Like if you're good at making cards, like sell your cards that you make, that kind of thing. Like if you're good at like crafty type things, make a bunch of stuff, sell it. If you're like an influencer but you don't get paid like a lot or something, if you have like a large following on Instagram or something like that, you could always like sell merch, sell presets that you use on your photos. Obviously like if you bought them from someone else you can't sell them, but like if you like made your own preset and you use it on your photos and people like your photos, they want to know how you edit, you can sell presets. There's literally all kinds of ways that you can like make money. Obviously a lot of these are not gonna give you the same amount of money as like a 9-to-5 job would, but if you want to live that starving artist lifestyle like me, and you prefer to have a lot more time over a lot more money, then these are just some ways that you guys can make money. Or if you're too young to have like a job, like you can definitely make money doing these things. So I wanted to share them with you because, I don't know, I thought it might be interesting, I thought it might be helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if it was helpful or if this was just a big, long, rambly video. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all I have to say in this video. If you guys have any other ideas on how you can make money without having a job, make sure to leave them in the comments down below for anybody to like read. And with that being said, I think that's the end of today's video. Let me know also in the comments if you have any specific video requests for this year. Yeah, so this is the actual end of the video, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, my music channel, find me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, all those things, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.